Alright, we're back in here again, checking our bell housing alignment with our dial indicator. We did this once before. I have a previous video that I did when I had the stock dowel pins in the bell housing, and we did our run out then. That run out told me that I needed some offset dowel pins, so I went ahead and ordered those, got those in, and I've got those installed, and now we're going to check the run out with my offset dowel pins installed. So let's check that run out now. Alright, there it is, guys. All the way around. We made it. So, these are the dowel pins that I ordered. Well, these are the used ones. And these are the package that the new ones came in. So this was my run out on my first try. That was with the stock dowel pins in it. And then the arrow is pointing in the direction that I put the lobe in, the offset in that direction. And these are the numbers I came up when I put the offset in that direction. And that was my first try. And then that was my second try, changing it up a little bit, and that obviously didn't work very good. And then that was another try, changing it up there, and that wasn't very accurate either. And then I decided to go ahead and try this out, and I came up with these numbers here that we can work with, and that puts us within our tolerance. So I am ready to go ahead with the rest of my installation of stuff now. Finally got the bell housing aligned and we're ready to go. So now I can install my clutch and reinstall the bell housing and transmission and all that stuff. So we're coming along, we're moving, getting her done. I will post another update when I have some more to talk about, but that is the bell housing alignment taken care of. Thanks for watching, guys. Later.